This video went viral on social media recently.
Watch your every day for the rest of your life, or would you once and stop it forever?
You can see Ranveer asking an objectionable question to a contestant in India's Got Latent. But this is not the first time when something on a similar note went viral. The content over time has gone much worse than this. Take for example this guy, or even this. But that is not objectionable in the eyes of our law, because कानून तो अंधा होता है. Another example is the show that Ashish Solanki hosted. It saw a lot of celebrities and influencers coming together and roasting each other. People laughed it off and enjoyed it. Even today when I ask a guy in my office for his number, he says,
लिखो 98.
while obscene, abusive and obnoxious content has subtly become the part of our content fabric, the question that arises are, what really went wrong with Allahabadia this time that he was dragged to the court of law? Was this actually the misuse of free speech? Was this issue actually the matter of national interest? And what's the threshold of Indian tolerance? Let's ask these questions to people, what they really think about it.
Our country runs on sensations. हमें हर वक्त कोई नई sensation चाहिए होती है. In our country, there was one very big sensation going on, which was glorified and put at the pedestal as one of the biggest feats of our country over the last 144 years, which is the Mahakumbh. And after the Mahakumbh's glory started vanishing, some people found something out of which they could make a new political issue.
जो जोक रणवीर अलाहाबादिया ने मारा, it is not the most problematic thing he has said. He has already dragged a lot of minorities on that show. Dank humor के नाम पर हम आजकल देखते हैं कि इंस्टाग्राम पे किस तरह से जोक्स मारे जाते हैं, ट्विटर पे कैसे जोक्स मारे जाते हैं और कैसे कैसे कमेंट्स पास होते हैं.
This is not even about public outrage. This is not even a matter of being offended. We all know about the latest broadcasting bill that's about to be set in parliament. It will be discussed in the parliament, and I feel like this was a really good underlying point for the government to talk about. And I believe the only reason this would make to the parliament is we use it as an underlying issue on which we can build the broadcasting bill thing.
There are already major मसलास over this country जिस पे फोकस होना चाहिए अभी हमारा presently. Not commenting exactly on whether India's Got Latent is a right show or a wrong show, but the fact when you talk about it being a national issue, that is where the entire joke is about. When about national issue, the national issue should be rather be about Manipur CM resignation, rather about the president's rule being imposed. And about national issue, it should have been about the rape cases going on in India.
Supreme Court has recently talked about, the fact that these people said things that were immoral, that were wrong, and that should not be allowed. However, I believe Supreme Court has no right to judge a person's statements. They do have a right not to enforce anticipatory bail. That is another discussion of the courts. But using these comments specifically, that hey, you said something that was wrong, is the Supreme Court personal opinion, that judge's personal opinion, which is should not be considered as the opinion of the highest court of the land.
India is the country with the largest population, one of the fastest growing populations, and we have a very big problem on the lines of sex and sex education. Still, the trope is you discuss it in privacy, in your private lives. We don't discuss it publicly. It is obscene, it is gross. किसी और कंट्री में कुछ बहुत सीरियस अगर हो रहा है तो उस लेवल की चीज हमारे यहाँ भी होती है, बट हम उसको छुपा के अंडर द टेबल कर देते हैं.
Yeah, well, obviously there is no absolute free speech and you have your boundaries. But I feel like this is not a joke that would get someone cancelled under usual circumstances. Yeah. And you have already seen that it did not get Karan Gill cancelled.
इंडिया में सब लोग एक मसले से डील कर रहे हैं, चीज़ें पर्सनली लेने का. उसका पर्पस है हंसाने का, ब्रो. जस्ट टेक इट एज अ जोक, राइट? इनफैक्ट आई बिलीव दैट कि इंडिया का टॉलरेंस लेवल बहुत कम होता जा रहा है. आई डोंट नो, दिस इज माय हॉट टेक. इन सम सेंस दिस इज वेगली रिलेटेड टू रिलीजन.
भाई अगर तुम्हारे देश में जिस जगह पे राइट्स हो रहे हैं उससे जहाँ पे लोगों की खर्दिंग क्या कहते हैं, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मर्डर्स, लॉट ऑफ रेप्स, और उसकी जगह तुम्हारी मोस्टली कवरेज और तुम्हारी मोस्टली बातें एक जोक पे हो रही है. आई थिंक ब्रो दैट्स then the onus is on you कि यार तुम एज ए सिटीजन तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो.
बट ये एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स अबाउट योर ओन मेंटालिटी आउट हियर, बिकॉज इससे भी पहले लोगों ने बहुत कुछ कहा है उसके बारे में. इससे भी पहले लोगों ने बहुत ऐसे घिनौने कमेंट्स किए हैं जो सोसाइटी में एक्सेप्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए, बट फिर भी वो हो रही हैं. तो आई वुड से कि इट्स अबाउट द पीपल हाउ दे परसीव इट.
I think free speech in general is in any place, not just in India, is not free. I mean, you need to sort of think about what you say out there.
तो मेरे हिसाब से इंडियन सोसाइटी की जो टॉलरेंस है और जो ओपिनियंस है डाइवर्सिटी के बारे में, वो हमारी करंट पॉलिटिकल रेजिम का रिफ्लेक्शन होती है. तो सोसाइटी की टॉलरेंस, आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट हमारी प्रेसिडेंट जो सेट करती है, जो कल्चर सेट करती है, उस पर बहुत हावी होता है.
If someone says XYZ thing that is perverted to one set of ears and not to the other, at the very least, give the benefit of the doubt the fact that it is not conventional, but you cannot call it perverted just because you find it perverted. That is not how this country runs or any civilized country runs.